Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential components of any household, water filters. Specifically, we're looking at the Hskyhan Water Filter Replacement. If you're on the hunt for the best water filter replacement in the market, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The Hskyhan Water Filter Replacement is designed to elevate your water filtration experience to the next level. Whether you're concerned about the taste, odor, or contaminants in your water, this product promises outstanding performance and reliability. Let's talk features. Firstly, it boasts a robust 6-stage filtration system. This means it effectively reduces chlorine, lead, mercury, and other harmful substances, ensuring your drinking water is clean and safe. One of the standout features is its broad compatibility. Whether you have a Samsung, Kenmore, or any compatible refrigerator model, chances are this filter will fit seamlessly, providing up to 300 gallons of refreshing water before needing replacement. Installation is a breeze. Simply twist off the old filter, insert the new one, and twist it into place. No tools required. Plus, with its long lifespan and cost-effectiveness, maintaining clean water in your home has never been simpler. In conclusion, the Hskyhan Water Filter Replacement sets a new standard in home water filtration. With its advanced technology, easy installation, and superior filtration capabilities, it's no wonder why this product stands out among its competitors. If you're ready to upgrade your water filtration system, click the link in the description below to get your own Hskyhan Water Filter Replacement today. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on essential household products. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.